The Diocesan Shrine and Parish of the Immaculate Conception in Malabon City, Philippines, also known as Malabon Church, has a rich history. It was founded in 1607 by Augustinian Brides as a Visita Chapel under the patronage of La Purísima. In 1866, the first stone and brick chapel was built, but it was destroyed by an earthquake in 1880. In September 1907, the Visita became a full-fledged parish. The church is also known for the Immaculous image of La Inmaculada Concepcion de Malabon, and its image was colonized in 1986 by Pope John Paul II.
May ano pong pangalan niyo po? Ate Fer, tatanong ko lang po, gano'n po katagal na po yung simbahan niyo? 1886? Gano'n po ba kayo kadalas nagsisimba? Every Sunday. Every Sunday. Sige po, salamat po.
The Santo Rosario Church in Dampalit, Malabon City was built around 1840 by the Augustinians. It was later destroyed during World War II when used as a Japanese garrison. The church was suddenly rebuilt and renovated in 1989.
Ano pangalan mo? Ilan taong ka na? Well, bali gano'n nakatagal itong simbahan ko? 1902. Anong ginagawa mo dito? Ano? Sacristan. Yun lang, thank you
The church was constructed in Baroque architectural style under the supervision of Augustinian Brides. It stands on 1,226-meter lot donated by Capitana Elena Naval.
The San Pascual Bailon Church in Malabon, Metro Manila has a history rooted in the early establishment of the town. It began as a modest structure in 1928, serving as a center for religious education and celebration. The current church, dedicated to Kamahal-Mahalang Puso ni Jesus, was built in 1958 and the land was purchased in 1973. It was officially recognized as a parish on May 17, 1988 during the Fest of San Pascual.
Gandang pangalan po na. Pwede po kayo matanong kung anong pangalan niyo? Marito. Ilang taon na po kayo dito? 15 years po. Sa tingin niyo po, ilang taon na po itong church? Siguro mo 20 plus na po. Baka ibig pa.
San Bartolome Church in Malabon City is a historically significant Catholic church with roots tracing back to 1614 when it became an independent parish under the Augustinian missionaries. Initially, a Visita of Tondo, Malabon was established as a parish on May 21, 1599.
Ano po pangalan niyo?
Menchi.
Yung simbahan na po ba na to, gano'ng katagal na po?
Ayun o, 410 years na.
400 ka po kadalas magsimba?
Madalas naman, araw-araw ko nagtitinda.
Araw-araw po. Thank you po.
San Agustin Church in Intramuros, Manila is the oldest church in the Philippines dating back to 1587. The church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was built to resemble Augustinian temples in Mexico and is notable for its massive facade and intricate interiors. It has survived numerous earthquakes, fires, and the ravages of World War II, standing as a testament to its resilience.
Ano pong pangalan niyo?
James Salvilla po, Guardia Civil ng Intramuros, 36 years old.
So, gano'n po nakakatagal tong simbahan?
Yung simbahan ng San Agustin Church, tinayo noong 1751. Abot na yan ng 500 years.
100 years na ba? So, sa tingin, madami po ba ang sisimba dito?
Marami.
Marami yun. Kayo po ba? Madalas po ba kayong sisimba? Or nagbabantay lang po?
Lubantal ka.
Sige po. Thank you po, sir.
The Manila Cathedral, a significant landmark in Philippine history. Begun as a parish church in 1571 under the Archdiocese of Mexico. It later became a separate diocese in 1579. Over the years, the cathedral has been rebuilt multiple times, including its 8th building reconstruction completed in 1958.
JM,
Yung simbahan po ba na ito, gaano po siya katagal?
455 years old na po yan.
Sa ano po, gaano rin po siya karaming bumibisita po dito?
Ang Manila Cathedral sa araw-araw, marami bumibisita, hindi natin mabibilang kasi marami mga talaga. Ang pinaka-capacity kasi ng loob ng simbahan na yan, kung may misa, is 600 people.
Laki rin po, no? Ang tagal rin po. Salamat
Yun lang
po.
pala.
Thank you po.
It has been a site of important religious ceremonies and events, and was designated a minor basilica in 1981 by Pope John Paul II.
Quiapo Church, officially the minor basilica and national shrine of Jesus Nazareno, is a significant landmark in Manila, Philippines. Renowned for its veneration of the Black Nazarene image, the church has been rebuilt multiple times due to fires and earthquakes, with the current structure designed by national artist Juan Nakpil and completed in 1933. The Black Nazarene statue, a life-size image of Jesus Christ, was first brought to Quiapo in 1767 and is believed to possess miraculous powers.
Soledad, Salvador.
So, gano'n na po katagal tong simbahan na ito, Nay?
Matagal na talaga ang Quiapo.
So,
Tagapon pa yata eh.
panahon pa po na
Mga sinauna pa to.
sinauna pa po. So, sa tuwing January, Nay, nakikidevoto ka rin po ba dito?
Ngayon lang ako napagawi-gawi dito. Minsan-minsan gano'n. Nag-ano.
Thank you po, Nay, yun lang po.
Ngayon lang ko malimit ngayon. Pero
Thank you po.
minsan dati nagpupunta ko dito.
Thank you po, Nay.
Oh, thank you.
God bless po, Nay.